Hello, Josh Kern with Kern RV and CFMOTO USA Parts.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to remove and reinstall the CForce oil change cover. This particular unit is a 2021 CForce 600, but it is the same on the other CForce 600s, and the CForce 400 and 500 use a similar method with a slightly different looking cover. We'll put links down in the description to these replacement covers, as they are a very commonly lost or broken part. To start, we will pull outward on the rear of the cover to release the rearmost tab. There are two tabs here at the front. We do not want to pull out on these, as that can break them. We want to slide the cover backwards. When we remove it this way, it will remove with the two front rubber grommets still on the cover. The rear rubber grommet should stay in place. We'll then remove these rubber grommets from the cover. And then we will reinstall the rubber grommets onto the plastic housing on the four-wheeler. When you reinstall these grommets, the wider side should be facing outward. These grommets just slip on from the side until they are fully seated. Once your front two grommets are back in place and checking that your rear grommet is still in place, we can then reinstall the oil change cover by inserting it into the grommet holes. First, we'll line it up to all three holes, and once it's over all three holes, we can firmly press over each grommet spot until we hear 3 clicks of it latching back into place. Thank you for watching this video. Check out the description again for links for the cover for both this model, the CForce 600, and the other version for the 400s and 500s. We'll also have a link for those rubber grommets in that description. Make sure you check out CFMOTOUSAParts.com for all of your CFMOTO parts and accessory needs. And make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell to find out when we release more videos like this. Thank you for watching.